That's not the only insect that's causing issues. More than a dozen states will see swarms of cicadas in the next few weeks, and some of the bugs could emerge with a fungus that controls its body and mind.
That's right, and while our area will be spared from these cicadas this summer, experts are still keeping a close eye on this zombie-like fungus. Fox 5's Teresa Priolo has more.
There's a fungus that infects insects, gets inside an ant, for example, travels through its circulatory system to the ant's brain and then floods it with hallucinogens, thus bending the ant's mind to its will.
If you've watched The Last of Us, then the idea of a zombie fungus infiltrating the bodies of insects might not be so far-fetched. For those that haven't, the idea is downright terrifying.
Sounds lovely. We love to hear it. That's horrible. The things of my nightmares.
It's not ants, it's cicadas. Zombie cicadas taking over certain states. We'll be spared in New York, New Jersey, and Connecticut, but word is still getting around that the periodical cicada population has been zombified, and they're about to hatch.
It causes males to act as if they're both males and females. So they're going to do the sexual behaviors of males and females, and that's going to make them attractive to lots of other cicadas in that chorus. And so they will develop an infection, their abdomen breaks open, and they have a fluffy spore mass, and those are the ones that get dispersed in the soil for the next generation.
The zombie cicada affects only about 10 of the roughly 5,000 to 6,000 species of cicadas. They aren't common, but they are fascinating.
I've seen zombies in Central Park, but not zombie cicadas.
We have enough stuff in New York. We don't need extra cicada.
What are you going to do if you encounter a zombie cicada?
Literally run.
If you remember nothing else from this report, remember this. Summer cicadas or zombie cicadas, they are harmless, especially to humans. In Central Park, Teresa Priolo, Fox 5 News.